Hey guys, excuse my voice. I am fighting a cold, but we are going to decorate our Christmas tree today. We have 2 trees that we're going to put up, one in the corner over here and one in our bedroom. These are our lovely new curtains, so it's making it a little bit darker in here. Once we open them up, it'll be nice and bright. I just don't know how we're going to put the garland and then open and close them every day. I don't think that's going to work, but we're going to figure it out. But welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Christmas Tree Chronicles. Good job, babe. I hope this tree is not too tall. This is a lovely tree that my mother lent to us because we just truly did not want to pay for a new tree when I paid for a bunch of other things. Also, if you missed my holiday decor haul, that's my last video, so go check that out before you watch this one, and you'll see everything come to light. Oh my god, it's like almost already all fluffed out. And I think this one is a 7.5 foot? No, it's gotta be at least 7.5. I gotta take a short break to show you guys Benji in here.
Oh, this tree came with an extra ornament.
Benji, say hi.
Okay.
Benj. Hi, baby. Okay, so here is the tree. Once it's fluffed out, it'll look much bigger and fluffier. Say hi, Mackie. Hi, baby. Uh-oh. This is Mac's first Christmas and his first time ever seeing a tree. We're going to put, I think, fishing wire and hold it back so that it doesn't, even if they try to knock it over, it won't go. And we already have a bad boy in the tree. Oh, that's so pretty. I think she said we can keep it at one setting. I'd rather just keep it at Okay, so this is the Christmas tree skirt I got from Spirit Christmas. I figured the cats would like to lay on it. They can lay under the tree. So now they have a nice area to lay in. I think they're gonna love it. Are you already taking a little nap? Mackie? Hi. I would put, I kind of want to have one like here so I can always see So this is where our second tree is going. I'm losing my voice by the minute, but we're taking down these curtains and we have them tied up like this. Our cats are nuts and they just won't stop hanging on them. This is what they really look like, and they're really pretty in the spring and summer. They brighten up the room. But I took these down from the living room yesterday and we're gonna put those in here. Ta-da! I'm just gonna have to get a new tree skirt because I don't know what I did with the one from last year. I really don't. Also, the bottom back there is broken. I'm just gonna turn it. And we have all these ornaments and lights, but I'm gonna worry about the lights later. And I have these bows that I got from Amazon. And I know the one big bow thing is like trending right now. I just don't know if I'm gonna do that because I feel like the cats are gonna destroy it, to be honest. So they have these cute berries to put in. So this is before ornaments. And this is what the garden looks like. Guys, obviously it's 2 days later, and as you can see right now, I am lifting my lashes and I'm gonna tint them afterwards because my lashes just go straight down and they're like blondish brown. You can barely see them. Also, I still sound sick, unfortunately. I have to make some tea and honey. I didn't get a chance to do that yet. I woke up and just ran in the shower, started doing all of this, and yeah. So you guys saw 2 days ago I decorated my tree with my fiance. Now today I'm going to decorate our bedroom tree, and I'm gonna start a new vlog because that's just gonna be like a decoration vlog. And then I'm going to start a new vlog because that is going to be the first day of Vlogmas. I can't believe we're at Vlogmas already. I can't believe this vlog is the first day of Vlogmas. And now I'm about to start a new vlog where you guys will see more in depth of like what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to go see Wicked later. I have a couple things to do. I'm going to make some bookmarks on Canva, some holiday bookmarks to sell in my shop, Noelle Artistry. So stay tuned for that. That'll be my next video, Vlogmas Day 2. Yeah, this next clip is going to be me decorating my tree. I'm going to decorate this tree today. Now, I don't know. Mac looks so cute. I have to show you guys. Hold on. Look at how cute he looks. Also, my mom just asked me what else I want for Christmas because I really, I didn't give her like a lot of things this year. I needed like t-shirts and stuff like that, and like the new Billie Eilish perfume. Those are the things that I ask for Christmas because I know she wants to get me stuff like that. But she's asking me what I want for Christmas, and I'm like, a house. I'm like, get me a house. She's like, let me go check that winning lottery ticket. For one, part of me doesn't want to put lights on this tree just out of pure laziness. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the bows on, see how many bows I have. This is my tree topper, okay? I have this tree topper. And I have these really pretty ornaments that my fiance and I have made with each other. I don't think we made one last year. But so we have only the 2 years that the first 2 years we were together, not the third year. But this would be going on to the 4th year. Wow, this is our 4th Christmas? My God, this is our 4th Christmas together. That's crazy. I have really pretty ornaments, like engagement ornaments. For one friend, got a really beautiful ornament, and then my mom just got an ornament of each cat. It's so beautiful, both of them. Oh my gosh. So I'll probably put this on the main tree, because I feel like the cats could totally knock this tree over. The other one we put the fishing line so they can't knock it over. But these are so beautiful. And then the engagement one, I think she has here somewhere. But I'm like, that one's like last. I'm like, I almost don't want to put that on at all. I think I'm going to put this as a tree topper. Part of me really wants to do the big bow, because at work, I'll show you the tree that we have. It's really pretty. It's like a tree just like this with a bunch of bows and then one big black bow. And at first I was like, oh, I feel like the black bow is like a little too much, covering a lot of the tree, but it's a big theme this year for some reason. It's like trending, so I am really starting to like it. It's growing on me now that I'm seeing it more and more. I don't know, maybe I'll just put the star for now, and if I end up getting a bigger bow, I do have a red and a silver bow that I could put on. It just won't go all the way down. It'll be like here, just like I have on the other tree. So without further ado, let me just start putting the bows on the tree. I kind of have no method here, but at the same time, there is a method to my madness somehow. So let's see how many, a bunch of pink bows. I have more red than I do pink or black. Wait, maybe I'll get a thing of white bows as well. This tree is just, it's just in her bedroom. I just think it's pretty. See, I feel like little things like this just put me back into like a good mood, because I feel like I was in a pretty good mood today before all that stuff happened with Starbucks and the jewelry store. Not that I'm in a bad mood now, but it definitely did put a little bit of a damper on my mood. Look at how pretty And I put these 2 little birds on here. I didn't like how the bow looked. I feel like it was too much. So it's either I'm putting the bow on top or just the star. But I love the star. I think this looks so cute. And I put little berries in. I really love this tree. And it doesn't even need lights. It's never really even going to be on. So I just have to vacuum the floor again.